mapping out an upsell or a downsell funnel in GHL. So this lesson is all about strategically structuring revenue boosting upsell or downsell funnels inside GoHighLevel with clear logics, visuals, and a complete execution guide. So, you know what's painful? Spending all that time, money, and energy to acquire a customer only to sell them a $27 product. And stop there. No upsell, no cross sell, no value expansion, no extra revenue. Now that's like opening a restaurant, getting someone in the door, and then refusing to show them the dessert menu. Now it's one of the biggest mistakes funnel builders and digital entrepreneurs make. They stop too early. But here is the flip side. What if immediately after someone makes a purchase, you offer them a complimentary product? What if they say no thanks? You offer them a lower priced option or even a free bonus. And what if all of that happened automatically without extra coding, upsell tools, or complicated plugins? Now that's what an upsell downsell funnel does, and GoHighLevel lets you build it in minutes. Today I'm going to walk you through how to map out a complete upsell downsell funnel strategy and then implement it practically inside GHL. You'll learn where to place the offers, how to design the flow, and how to automate every single touch point. And this is how you turn small wins into big revenue. Let us now jump onto the step-by-step practical guide. So we are going to map this first and then build it in GoHighLevel. The case example, let's say we are selling a digital product, Instagram Reels Toolkit for $27. After purchase, we offer an upsell, 90 minutes Reel Masterclass for $97. If they say a no, we offer a downsell, Reels Caption Prompts Pack, $17. So that's an interesting thing. We have a main offer for Instagram Tools Reels Toolkit. We have an upsell of 90 minutes Reels Masterclass, and then we have a downsell of Reels Captions Prompts Pack. So that's an entire upsell and a downsell map. Now how to bring this or that to life? Step 1 is funnel mapping strategy on paper, or could be or a whiteboard tool on Canva or something. Start with the main entry funnel, the sales page, the order form, and the thank you page. So that's the main entry funnel, right? You have the sales page, you have the order form, and you have the thank you page. Now you branch it. After order form submit, you do not send them to a thank you page, but you redirect them to a upsell page. On upsell page, if yes, you add upsell product and then they go to the thank you page. On upsell page, if they say a no, you redirect to a downsell page. Now on downsell page, yes, you add the downsell product and then the thank you page. On downsell page, no, you again direct them to the thank you page. So this gives us a logical flow and we are ready to execute it. Are you ready? Okay, so let's get going. Step 2 is to build the funnel in GoHighLevel. So like always, we go to my sub account. I click on sites. Let's look at some other account. Let's look at this one. We go to sites and we go to funnels. So let's say we look at the $97 funnel that we have. So here we have No, that's a opt-in funnel. I do not want a opt-in funnel. I want a sales funnel. So I'll go back home. Let's look at if we have something relevant that's pre-built, so that you do not have to okay, let's look at this one. Cool. This is, let's say, why is that? Learn Canva with Sawan. This should be loading, but it is not, for I don't know what reasons. Okay, let me show it to you this way. So let's say this is your main sales page. So this is designing like a pro, master Canva and transform your designs for $9 only. And this is, yes, I want to join now for $9. Now once somebody clicks over here, they get redirected to the payment page, which is right here. Now once they complete, send me to the course. Right now what happens is they are taken to a thank you page. Okay, now this is right now the thank you page. Now if I would want to add a upsell with a video or a pitch for $97 masterclass, or a downsell page with alternate $17 offer, and then a thank you page. So what I would do here is I would add a new step, let's say a upsell step. I create a new step, upsell. Okay, I would create from blank. I'm just showing you a quick version of what we can do here. So let's say I go with pre-built sections. Can we have something over here? CTA, no. Okay, let's go back. I add a full width section. I leave it for the header side of part of the thing. Over here I add a column and I add a video section. Now this is my pitch. After the pitch, what I do is I add a button that says yes, the button text. Okay, yes, I want to sign up for the masterclass. Limited time offer, $97 only. And then I would add another button. No, I will skip this. No, I'll skip this. So once they click on no, I will skip this, they are sent to the downsell page. And if they say yes, I want to sign up, I would add a product to their already ordered product. Okay, so I'll save this. So this would take them to, okay, no, this won't click a mockup, but this would take them to the next step, that is the down, and this would take them to a pop-up maybe, or okay, I do not have any product, so I could have added a product, and then it would go to the next step. So that's how you click on save, you come back, remove it over here, and then you add another step. Similarly, you do another step for the downsell page and then the final thank you page. Or even in the upsell page, you can say a message that says, now you can look at some upsell page templates. Now this is how your upsell pages could look like. Like this one is in a good. This is a good example. Yeah. So unlock your thank you for this and join my private mastermind group. A video. Are you ready? Add to my order. Only $100. Why join the mastermind today? So this could look like your upsell page. And then no thanks. Just take me to my original purchase. When you click this, you send them to the downsell and then so on. So that's exactly how you do it for the upsells and the downsell. Got it? Okay. Moving on to continuing with my presentation. Okay, you can have a quick look at how to configure the products. So over here, when you come, right now we have no product set up for upsell page. So I go to products. If I already have something created over here, I can add it. I can add the price display, override and save it. So this adds the product to the upsell page. So somebody adds it to the cart, it gets added. Similarly for the downsell page. So on purchase, you redirect to the thank you or the next offer. On skip, redirect to downsell or the thank you page. So that's an entire flow of how things work or things are going to work. You can also go to automations and create workflows. Now on order form submission for base offer, you can add tags like purchased toolkit, and then you can start an email or an SMS automation, and then you can add conditional branches. So if they purchased upsell, trigger upsell delivery email. If they didn't purchase, send a re-engagement email 24 hours later. Of still interested in masterclass. Same for the downsell. Set up an appropriate tagging and delivery steps. I'm not taking you through the tagging details because we have already been through it, or we will be going through it in the next couple of sections. And then you always test like a real customer. You open a private window, go to the sales page, fill out the form, purchase, try both the flows, say yes to upsells, say no to downsell. Make sure order reflects correctly in Stripe. Tags are applied, email SMS is fired as planned, and contacts appear in the CRM correctly categorized. The final step, tracking and analytics. Do not forget to add Facebook pixel or Google tag on each page track. Initiate checkout, purchase, upsell accept, upsell decline, and so on. So that's done. I know it's not as easy as I made it. Once you start doing it, you start building it, you will have additional questions, I'm sure, and you can reach out to me in the community section and I'll be happy to help. Now, here's the big truth. Most funnel builders work hard for the sale and leave 30 to 50% of potential revenue on the table by not building a post-purchase journey. With upsells and downsells, you are not being pushy. You are being smart. You are increasing value. You are serving deeper. So somebody who has trusted you, believed in you, has made a purchase from you. You are taking that experience to the next level by giving them something extra. You're not upselling them. You're giving them something extra. Remember when you bought a car, they started selling you accessories? Well, that made your experience better. That made the car more useful. Similarly, with upsells and downsells, you're not being pushy. You are being smart. You are increasing the value and you are serving deeper, and you're scaling without spending more on ads. Okay, so here is your action plan. Open GoHighLevel and create a new funnel. Add at least one upsell and one downsell step. Create Stripe products for each. Link your redirects and test every scenario. And add tag-based automations based on what they did or didn't buy. Start with something small. One funnel, one upsell, one test. And watch your average card value grow. While your backend system does all the work, you are not just building funnels anymore. You are building revenue engines. Let's keep going.